Hi, welcome back. My name is Nikhilesh and I teach artificial intelligence and large language models in very simple language. So, we in the last video we learned that large language models are transformers which are trained on huge data, right? And then they started generating natural language. But then how does ChatGPT acquire its chatting capabilities and how it became so successful? So one more thing that had happened was reinforcement learning from human feedback. Now let's understand what is reinforcement learning is. So the concept of reinforcement learning is that if you give someone a task and if that person does it accurately, you reward that person. If that person does not do it in a satisfactory manner, you penalize that person. So this is what reinforcement learning is. This is reinforcement learning is mostly used for training robots. So for example, if you place a 500 rupee note on one side of a robot and a 100 rupee note on the other side of a robot and ask it to bring the note, and then you can decide the point system. So for example, if robot goes and picks the 500 rupees note, you can say that you have plus 500 points. And if it goes and picks up the 100 rupees note, you say that you only have 100 points. And if it goes and brings something else, then you will say that you have 0 point or minus 5. Or if it brings if it doesn't bring anything, then you can say you have minus 500 points. So based on that rating system, robot understands, okay, this is what I need to do. So this is what reinforcement learning is. Now LLMs was trained on reinforcement learning from human feedback. Let's understand that. So, for example, if you give this prompt to an LLM that my house is too hot, there could be multiple responses. One response could be that there is nothing you can do about hot houses, right? The second response could be you can cool your house with air conditioning. And the third is it is not too hot. Basically, LLM is denying the fact that your house is hot. So if your evaluation criteria is helpfulness, what how would you rate these responses? So my response would be that for this answer, you can cool your house with air conditioning. I gave it the first choice. The second choice would be there is nothing you can do about hot houses. And the third and the last would be it is not too hot. So multiple people then would rate these responses, and based on that, then AI model understand, okay, so this is what in if I need to answer it in a helpful manner, this is what I should need to answer. So this is what we have done, and this is how GPT-3, which became GPT 3.5 after fine tuning with chatting data,